What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. So time for another mod today on the new Ram 1500. Basically today what I'm going to be having done is having the factory muffler replaced with a Vibrant 1795. On my car, on the Red Eye, I have the 1794s, which are a smaller bullet size type of muffler, but for this I went with the 1795, so it should be a little bit bigger. From what I've heard, it should give the truck a little bit deeper sound and maybe increase the volume a little bit, but mainly going for the deeper sound of the exhaust. So I'm going to try to get a cold start in the garage here prior to the Vibrant being installed, and then another one after the Vibrant being installed. So hopefully you'll be able to hear a difference. And there you go. All right, everyone, here's the cold start before the Vibrant muffler. Here's a cold start after the Vibrants.